Oh, dang. So I'm going to keep things rolling playing some Gears of War on my iPhone 14, which is available on Xbox Cloud Gaming. Now, I've been playing a lot of these different games for you guys on the channel because we like to mix it up here with the tech videos, mobile gaming videos, and honestly, if you haven't checked out Cloud Gaming yet, it is awesome. So basically the way it works is you subscribe to the service and then you can start streaming Xbox games on your phone. Now it can be on iOS or Android, it doesn't matter. And they have so many different titles, but it's awesome. And these games stream perfectly. I've tried, so many different phones out with it, played so many different games. But I want to play some Gears of War for you guys because this game is a classic and they've got some of the different titles available of Gears of War. So we're going to just run one of them. Of course, if you guys would like to learn more about cloud gaming or get started, we'll have some links below in the description. For now, let's run it.
Nice shot. Just ahead. Come on, the Major's waiting. More Indies. Damn it, they're dug in. Get around and flank them. Cleaner, our match is lit.
Roger that. We're lighting our bonfire in 3, 2, 1. Nice bases out there, building wide. Also, I'm shit cannon.
Of course, before we get more into this, we would like to recommend you guys check out the Ignition Poker app. If you're someone who likes to take down massive pots while sitting on the couch watching Netflix, this is hands down one of the best poker apps to try out. Now, the cool thing is they offer both free and real money games. They've also got $1 million payout tournaments to buy into all throughout the month. Ignition has also built a solid reputation for fair play, quick payouts, and of course, hosts some of the softest competition online. If you would like to start stacking your chips and dips, we will have some resource links below in the description for how you can get started.
Santiago, see you at the lab.
Yes, sir. The lab's just beyond that security gate. Push up. Machine gun nest. Splitting up. You two take left. Hey, the Major's counting on us. Get out there. Order, please. Don't mind the mess. You two, you have the security codes. Override that gate. And with that, this raid is officially underway. Let's go. Eliminate the guards, get inside the lab, grab the plans. Then we ghost.
So what does this hammer dawn thing do?
It wins the war. And if we do our job right, every system here is wiped. And the indie scientists get an offer they can't refuse. All right, we're in. Let's go.
I think so.
Lab's up ahead. Take them out.
Hold the head down.
Major. Come on.
Nice to see you're not dead, Private.
You too, Major.
Let's take out these Indians so we can get on to the goddamn show.
Yes, sir. Indy! Coming from the lab! Good boy, keep it up! Got him! Lab secure, Major.
I have eyes, Private. Now, let's get those plans. Step aside, Private. Looks like these Indy scientists aren't too eager to meet us. Bruce! Be a dear and rip this door.
Gears, listen up. If we're not out in 10 minutes, abort mission and get the hell out of here.
Okay, Santiago, time to meet our new friends.
Right behind you, Major.